Hello, VIPKid family. Welcome back. Today, I want to talk to you about using Google Slides and ManyCam together in your classroom. Ah, it is an amazing tool to enhance your classroom in a lot of different ways. Reward systems, props, extensions, individualized interests for each child. Now, if you are new to Google Slides, I suggest you pause the video. Go over to the official Google Slides Facebook page for VIPKid teachers. There they have so much information to get you started on Google Slides. Just go head over to the announcements and follow the directions. If you are currently using Google Slides in your classroom by showing your phone or an iPad, then this is the great place to start. My first suggestion would be to go ahead and download the ManyCam app onto your computer. You want to make sure that it's compatible and that you don't have tech issues before you go too far. The free version is perfect. You're going to have a little watermark in the corner, also not a problem. You will be able to practice with Google Slides using the free version. So download it and make sure you don't have any problems. And always have your backups ready. This is what ManyCam should look like in your classroom, or at least close to it. The free version will only have 2 presets, which is fine, that's all you need. Preset 1 needs to be your webcam. Now, while you're testing out ManyCam in your classroom, it's a great idea to just use the one preset and show your phone like you normally do to make sure you don't have any glitches or tech issues. Preset 2 will be Google Slides. Let's go ahead and pull up the Sidekick. If you are unfamiliar with the Sidekick, I highly suggest that you go to the official Google Slides group to learn more. Now, I am going to look for a reward, a princess reward for one of my students. Typing in princess, lots turn up. Picking Stars or Surprise by Beth Pender, who's an amazing Google Slides creator. And I'm going to go ahead and just click Open Link. Boop. There it is. It will turn up in edit mode, which I prefer. I want to be able to preview the slides and look at them. So I like this one. I'm going to use it. I'm going to highlight everything after edit and change it to preview. This actually works on your phone too if you have that black bar at the bottom. Turning it into preview mode, you do not have that issue. Going to go ahead and minimize it. You do not need it to take up the whole screen. And I'm just going to make it this size. That way I can have my classroom in one spot, and I'll show you how it is I maneuver ManyCam, Classroom, and Google Slides. Going over here to preset 2, I'm going to click on the preset itself, and it gives me a lot of options for what it is that I want to do. I'm going to go to desktop and custom area. Boop, there it is. I need to cut to it, move over to it. There we go. And you see this outline. This outline you put wherever it is you want it to go, and I am going to highlight it over the Google slide itself. I want to take out a little bit of that. There you go. It doesn't want to. There we go. Just the Google Slides. As you can see, I have preset 1 is me, preset 2 is Google Slides, and I can click on it, no problem. Now, if I have anything covering this up, nope, not what I meant to do. If I have anything cover this up, this also shows in ManyCam. So you want to make sure that there is nothing obstructing the view of the Google Slides, because otherwise the student will see it. So there we go. We have our Google Slides. If this is the way that you want to present and just flip back and forth between your classroom and Google Slides just until you're comfortable, go for it. If you're looking to add yourself as well, you can. Go ahead and click over here on your preset 2. This is the way I do it. There might be other ways as well. Click Add New Layer, and it says Fixed Screen Area. You are going to right-click on this and click your webcam. Now, you do see my green screen. Whatever your background is, this is what will pop up. And the only way to have this transparent is if you have a green screen, but you can make this as small or as big as you want. You can also move yourself around throughout class, and this will be what the student sees. Do you want Aurora or Cinderella? And that's it. Go ahead and you click through the slides. I picked Aurora. I can move me over. Oh, oh, it's a star. Yay! Great job. And then I'm going to click back over to preset 1. You can do this by hitting the cut button over here. I actually have hotkey set up, so I can do it 1, 2. I can just do it by hitting Control 1 or Control T but Control 2 using the hotkeys. Okay, I am so comfortable with using Google Slides on my desktop that this is not where I normally place it, so I need to move it. I am going to go ahead and I'll show you how to move it. Can hit Control 2, and you're going to click over here on the slide, and it'll show you where the outline is. So I'm going to move my Google Slide to where I normally do. I also make it pretty small because the student doesn't see it this size. They're going to see it full screen no matter how small it is, as long as it doesn't blur the graphics, it's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and move this over here, make it smaller. And I'm happy with that. Even if there's a little white bar, that's not a big deal. Also, I like to move the slide. If you click on this, it's movable. I actually like to move this up just a little bit. So let me make this even. Come on, friend. There we go. There we go. So you can minimize and manipulate the size. I'm gonna make it like that and make me a little bit bigger. There we go. So Google Slides are ready over here in this corner, and I'm gonna go ahead and open up the classroom over here. As you can see, let me click on ManyCam. I can click 1, 2, or 3. I'm gonna go back to ManyCam so you can see. And nothing is interfering with the Google Slide itself, which is the goal. Even if I click over here in the classroom, it's not interfering with the Google Slide. So you're going to have to look at your desktop, how much space you have, and how to make it work. I actually really like the VIP app where it is because my student's image is very close to the camera. So while I'm looking at the student, I am able to be looking closer to the camera or directly at the camera. And here is an official classroom view. This is preset 1, this is my classroom, this is the webcam. Here's preset 2 with Google Slides and me in the corner. Boop, boop, boop. It's Snow White! But it's not a star. Let's try again. So there you go. Oh, new student, days of the week. Boop. Days of the week. So I have all the slides lined up for the morning. I just click through them. I cancel them when we're done. And then I hop back to the regular classroom. Any other questions, please leave them in the comments. Email me, find me on Instagram. I would be happy to answer them. And if I need to have another video just to answer those questions, I would be happy to help. Coming up soon as well, I will be having a ManyCam video and a green screen video on how to have your classroom look like this. Please subscribe, like, share, all of that fun stuff. I enjoy making this channel and I enjoy helping other teachers. If you're interested in applying with VIPKid, you could also shoot me a message. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.